Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the EUREKA PowerSpeed lightweight powerful upright vacuum cleaner for carpet and hard floor. This vacuum is a game changer when it comes to keeping your home clean and fresh. Let's start with the fact that it's lightweight and portable, weighing in at just 10 pounds. This means you can easily maneuver it around your home without any hassle. But don't be fooled by its size, this vacuum packs a powerful punch with 960.0 watts of suction power. The EUREKA PowerSpeed is a multi-surface vacuum with 5 height adjustment settings, making it perfect for both hard floors and deep carpets. And with an extra large 2.6L dust cup, you'll spend less time emptying and more time cleaning. Now, here's the best part for all you pet owners out there. This vacuum comes with a pet turbo tool, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, all of which can be conveniently stored on board for easy access and above floor cleaning. But here's a little warning: when you use the vacuum cleaner, the floor brush may get clogged with hairs and dirts. That's why it's important to clean the roller brush and the belt every 2 weeks to prevent any malfunction. Trust me, it's worth it. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the EUREKA PowerSpeed lightweight powerful upright vacuum cleaner. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.